Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about Chemical Kinetics class 12. In Chemical Kinetics class 11 I am going to talk about what is Arrhenius equation, how to derive the Arrhenius equation in collision theory. Now this video I am continuous to the Arrhenius equation in collision theory. Now start this section, see this board. Friends, in Chemical Kinetics class 11 I am going to discuss about the what is the different forms of Arrhenius equation and what is the graph representation of the Arrhenius equation. Now start this section. Friends, you know that in my previous video I am going to talk about what is the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation, friends, Arrhenius equation is Arrhenius equation k is equal to a dot e power of minus ea by rt. This is the Arrhenius equation. Now this is k, a is called as Arrhenius constant or frequency constant, e is exponential constant, a is activation energy, r is universal gas constant, t is temperature. But what is the graph representation of this k versus this temperature? This Arrhenius equation says that the difference between the rate constant is changes to the temperature. Temperature is increases. What happens, friends? Rate constant is increases. This is the effect of temperature on rate of reaction is explained the this Arrhenius equation. Now I am represented to the graph representation of the k versus temperature. Friends, in x-axis I am represented to the temperature T, and y-axis I am represented to the rate constant K. Now this graph representation of this equation is this is the exponentially increases like this. This is the graph representation of the K is equal to a dot e power of minus ea by rt. This is the graph representation of the Arrhenius equation, rate constant K and temperature T. This is the very important, friends. Now what is the important different equations in Arrhenius equation? Now first equation, this equation is I am multiplied to this equation in ln. I am multiplied to this equation in ln. Now what happens, friends? Ln K equal to ln a dot e power of minus ea by rt. Now ln k is equal to ln a into ln b. This is the ln a dot b is the ln a plus ln e power of minus ea by rt. Okay, friends. Now ln k is equal to, this is the ln a plus ln e power of minus ea by rt. Here this minus ea by rt is this is the ln e power of minus a. Now this expression is like this. This is the ln a minus this is ea by rt into ln e. Now this is the ln e is the log base e. Okay, friends. Now log base e value is 1. Now ln k is equal to ln a minus this log base e value, friends. ln k value is log base k. Now this expression is the ln e value is ln base e. This value is 1. Now this is the ea by rt. Okay, friends. This is the Arrhenius equation in terms of ln. Now this is the ln a, k is equal to ln a minus ea by rt. Now this expression is the changes to the log base e. Now what happens, friends? This is the log base k is equal to log base a minus ea by rt. Okay, friends. This is the one of the important equation in Arrhenius equation in log a. Now this equation is compared to the y is equal to mx plus c. Now this equation I am represented to the graph representation of this equation is log base k versus 1 by t. Now this is clear, friends. This is arise. Okay, friends. Now one more important equation, k is equal to a dot e power of minus ea by rt. This is the Arrhenius equation, and this is the log base ek is equal to, this is the log base ea minus ea by rt. This is two equations are very important. Now graph representation of the log base k is equal to log base ea minus ea by rt. Now this equation is the like this, log base k is equal to minus ea by rt. Now t is I am represented to the 1 by t plus log base ea. This equation is compared to the y is equal to mx plus c. Friends, this is y is equal to mx plus c. Now in y-axis I am represented to the log base k, and m value slope of this equation is the minus ea by r. It means negative slope is present in this equation. Now x value is I am represented to the 1 by t, and this is the y-intercept value is log base a. Now I am represented to the graph representation of this equation is the like this x-axis I am represented to the 1 by t. Okay, friends, y-axis I am represented to the log base a, and this is the y-intercept value is like this. Y-intercept value is log base a. Okay, friends, sorry, this is the log base k, and this is the log base a, y-intercept value. Now this is the slope of this equation. Slope is negative slope is present in there. Now negative slope is present in there. The graph is like this. Negative slope is present in there. The graph is like this. It means this is the decrease. This is the negative slope graph is like this. This is the straight line. This is the negative slope. Now the theta is like this. Now slope equal to tan theta equal to the slope is the minus ea by rt. This is the very important, friends. This is the I am represented to the graph representation of the log base k versus 1 by t. This is the one more important equation. Now this equation is converted to the in terms of logarithm, in terms of log base 10. Now what happens, friends, in this term is log base k is equal to minus ea by r 1 by t plus log base e. This is the changes to the log base 10. Now what happens, friends, this equation changes to the log base 10. This is the log base k is equal to what happens, friends, 2.303 log base 10 k. This is the in changes to the log base e in terms of log base 10. Now what happens, friends, this equation is this is clear, friends. This is arise. Now this is changes to the log base 10. What happens, friends? This is the 2.303 log base 10 k is equal to, this is minus ea by r t plus this is the 2.303 log base 10 a. This is the equation. Now this 2.303 is divided to the both side. What happens, friends? This is the log base 10 k is equal to minus ea by 2.303 rt plus this value is log base 10 a. This is the one more important equation is present in the log base 10. Now log base 10 k is equal to log base 10 a minus ea by 2.303 rt. This is the one more important equation in terms of log base 10. This is the in terms of log base e. Now what is the graph representation of this is the very important in competitive exams. This is the very important in competitive exams. Now how to draw the graph representation of this equation? This is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, I am represented to the graph representation of this is the y is equal to mx plus c compared to this graph. This equation is compared to the y is equal to mx plus c equation. Now this value is the y-intercept, y-axis I am represented to the log base 10k, and x-axis I am represented to the 1 by t. Now y-intercept value y-intercept value is log base 10 a. Now this is the negative slope is present in there because of the minus ea by 2.303 r. This is the negative slope. Now the negative slope of this equation of the straight line is decreases. It means like this. Okay friends, now the theta is equal to slope is equal to tan theta is equal to minus ea by 2.303 r. This is the theta, this is the slope of the, in this equation, log base 10 k is equal to log base 10 a minus ea by 2.303 r. This is the graph representation of the log base 10 k versus 1 by t. This is the important graph in competitive exams. Okay friends, this is clear friends, this is erased. Now one more important equation in draw the this Arrhenius equation, that is the ratio between the two rate constant versus temperature, that is called as ratio between two rate constant and temperature. Two rate constant versus temperature. Now first of all, Arrhenius equation is in terms of log base 10 k is equal to 2.30 log base 10 k equal to log base 10 a minus ea by 2.303 rt. This is the in terms of log base 10. Now two rate constants. First of all, rate constant k temperature is T1. At T1 temperature rate constant is K1. At T2 temperature rate constant is T2. Now T1 temperature rate constant is K1 and T2 temperature rate constant is T2. It means T2 temperature rate constant is K2. It means this T2 is greater than T1. Now this is the I temperature in T2 with compared to the T1. Now in this equation what happened friends? Log base 10. Now k is the K1 is equal to log base 10 a minus ea by 2.303 r T1. This is the equation. Now this is the K1 and T1. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Friends, one more important point. This Arrhenius factor or frequency factor and this activation energy cannot depends upon the temperature. This is the very important assumption point is the activation energy and Arrhenius factor A. These two are cannot depends upon the temperature. It means this is the independent of, these two are independent of temperature. Okay friends, these two are independent of temperature. These two cannot changes with the temperature is increases or decreases. Okay friends, this is the K1 and T1. This is equation. At K2 rate constant log base 10 a minus ea by 2.303 r T2. Okay friends, this is the equation 2. From equation 2 minus equation 1, what happened friends? This is the log base 10 K2 minus log base 10 K1 is equal to this. Now this is the equation 2 minus equation 1. These two terms are cancelled because of this is the Arrhenius factor and frequency factor cannot depends upon the temperature. Now these two are cancelled. Now what happened friends? This is the minus ea by 2.303 RT2 minus, this is minus into minus plus. Now this is the ea by 2.303 RT1. Okay friends, this is clear friends, this is erased. Now finally the equation is the log base 10 K2 minus log base 10. This is log A minus log B is the log base 10 K2 by K1 is equal to, this is the EA and EA, and this is the activation energy and 2.303 R is common. The EA by 2.303 R is common. What happened, friends? Finally, the equation is, this is the minus T2 and this is the 1 by, this is the minus 1 by T2, this is the 1 by T1. Now this is the minus, this value is 1 by T1 minus this is 1 by T2. This is the final equation is expression. Now this is the log base 10 K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 or this is the final, finally this equation is the, this is the LCM T1 T2 and this is the T2 minus T1. This is the ratio between two rate constant. Friends, ratio between two rate constant at temperature T1 and T2. This is the equation log base 10 K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. This is the final equation log base 10 K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. This is the final expression for the ratio between two rate constant and temperature T1 and T2. This is the different expressions and different formulas of Arrhenius equation. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.